Oh, there he goes. Oh, I'm just leaving work and gonna go out kayaking. It is hot right now. I'm in a jersey. I am. It's not good. It's not good at all. But anyway, I'm just leaving work and I'm gonna go for a kayak. It's about 2 o'clock right now, so I'm just gonna jump in and go. There's like no wind. I don't know about the swell, but it's about dead low right now, so there won't be much current currently. Get it? But I really want to go. I'm really looking forward to it. I haven't been in ages, and it's a good excuse to go when it's nice. I've got a bit of a different spot in mind today. So I'm going to go to a bit of a different spot today. I find it, I don't know, kind of boring going to the same place. Obviously you catch similar stuff to what you've been catching, but I don't know. I think it'll be more fun. I'm going somewhere else. I don't need fish right now, so I'm fine with kind of trying out a new spot. So what I'll do is I'll chuck the kayak up on the roof and have some lunch quickly and then go straight away. Kind of want to take advantage of the nice day and kind of be out there for as long as possible. 10 minutes makes all the difference, or at least it feels like that to me, so that's what's going to happen. Well, kayak's on the roof now, time to head out. That would help if I turn my car on. Time to head out. It is so incredibly hot today, you don't even know. So I'm still hoping for snapper. I've been hoping for snapper for the last year. So that kind of shows you my skill level at the moment, but yeah, hoping for snapper today. Gonna try for that as hard as I can. Other than that, I'll just be kind of drifting around the rocks, drifting around the spots, seeing if I can find any fishy turtles. But yeah, I'll see you guys down at the beach. I'll load up my kayak and get on the water. It's a good way of getting wet. Getting my cord wet that I was just holding in the water. That's exactly what I needed. Nice, tiny bit of breeze. And to be on the water. That's quite nice. so nice. You don't even know. You don't even know. I'm enjoying myself immensely. I'm not even fishing yet really. But yeah, let's head over to that reef. Oh, I swear I just got a bite right as it dropped. There's a lot of fish, if there's a fish. They look like fish. They've got fish marks. They look like fish. They look like a massive school of fish. So this is the soft baits I'm going to be using. They're baby bass bait junkies. Chuck one of these on and give it a test. There we go. Let's give that a toss. Oh, and I just drifted over a massive school of salmon. So I'm drifting that way, I think. Is it jellyfish? Oh! Oh! Yeah! I got something. Turn my kayak around, mate. Yeah, that's definitely a kahawai, I reckon. Oh, yeah, there he is. Oh, there you go, man. It's just a little bugger. Instantly. That was instant first cast with that new soft bait. See if we can do that again. Oh fuck, I missed that. Yep. Oh, he's right here too. Another little one. Fun to catch though, fun to catch. Just going for a swim, I need to put my paddle in the water and off of me. Alright. Let's get this fella off. Jesus! Oh my god. Alright, alright. No. I've had enough of this fella. Stop it. There he goes. Didn't think that colour was going to have such a success so fast. Oh, can't complain about that though, can we? Throw it out again. 2 casts, 2 fish. Bloody hell, that Daiwa soft baits are going mean right now. There we go. Check another one. Alright, do a couple casts and then reset because I'm quite close to the rocks already. Oh, that was instant. Where is he? Oh fuck, he's quite big. Oh shit. Oh, there he goes. That's a bend. There we go. That's what I've wanted. I wanted a proper fight of the fish. He's just chilling down here. I need to get this rod in. Because probably wasn't the smartest idea to have 2 rods out at once. Get it. There we go. There he is. Oh, he's got friends. Ooh. He's got a couple friends. Oh, he's got a fucking mark out of him. Jesus. Here you go, you can go. Okay. It's quite big. Quite a big boy. Aren't you, mate? Pretty good size. We'll let him go. Power up. Let's try that again. There's a fair couple under me. Let me just get this down. Oh. There's a whole like... Oh, fuck mate. Yeah. There we go. There's another one. There's a whole squad of them. There's heaps. There's heaps of them. Yeah, it's huge amount of them down there. Okay, cool, sweet. Well, I know what I'm gonna be eating tonight. God. Come on, bro. I don't want to rip your mouth. There you go. Well, mouth ripped. On the skull. Oh, wrong way, mate. Might smell like the ocean, but not quite. Oh, still on somehow. It's like a little, come on, it's got good head shakes to it. What is that? Oh, it's a cod. Oh, it's a good size. Holy. So that's what's down there. All right, all right, all right. Come on. Oh, get the net, get the net. Ah! I did not think that was still on, first of all. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, you bastard. My like line got tangled in my other rod, and fuck, man, there's like 10 things. 10 things were happening at once, and I did not like any of them. That is a good size cod. Fuck. That's the biggest I've ever caught. Stop that. right now. Ooh, he's got some sharp gills. Yeah, he's got some very sharp gills. Jesus Christ. This guy is definitely legal. Oh, you bastard. He's by my foot. Alright. What size is that? We'll put him there. So 30, 37. Stop that. Got shit all over my hands. You're coming with me, mate. Oh, God. Holy fuck, man. Damn. I'm happy, but God, that was a mess. That was a mess. I need to get better at that. Let's just say that. I'm glad I was able to get something other than a kahawai, because I was giving up a bit of hope there, to be honest with you. But I'm going into the change of light a bit now, so that's good. This is like perfect time for some fish to show up and maybe bite on a hook or two, maybe. Who knows? Who knows, honestly. Caught a lot of these today. Oh, he's actually putting some. Oh, okay. He's actually putting some string now. Come on, come back up. Oh, tighten up a little bit on him. Oh, he's just a little fella. Oh, there's heaps under me. Heaps. Just a little fella. There you go. God, they really like this colour today. Well, that's the go then. I might just have some fun catching these. Oh, he's popping up around. Oh, there you go. There's one. Caught him right there, right on the surface. His ad leader. Whoa. Oh, they're all pretty little. Well, that's how much my drag hat is, I guess. Jesus Christ, man. Alright. Might be some big things under them. That's making them jump. There you go, bruv. But he disappeared instantly. There's not on anything, is it?